To troubleshoot Debank portfolio overview. Start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a portfolio management tool for tracking and analyzing cryptocurrency assets across various blockchain platforms. First, ensure you have a Debank account and have connected your wallets or exchanges to the platform. If you encounter any issues with your portfolio overview, begin by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for Debank to function properly. Next, verify that your wallets or exchanges are correctly connected to Debank. Check the connection status and make sure that the API keys or wallet addresses are accurate and up to date. If you find any discrepancies, update the information and try refreshing the page. Another common issue is outdated or missing asset prices. Debank relies on external data sources for pricing information, so check if there are any issues with the data providers. You can also try refreshing the asset prices manually or waiting for a short period to see if the issue resolves itself. Additionally, check for any browser or extension issues that may be interfering with Debank's functionality. Try clearing your browser cache, disabling any recently installed extensions, or switching to a different browser to isolate the problem. If you are still experiencing issues, review Debank's official documentation and support channels for troubleshooting guides and FAQs. You can also reach out to the Debank community or support team for assistance with specific problems. Finally, keep in mind that Debank is a web-based platform and is subject to maintenance and updates. If you encounter any issues, check Debank's social media or official website for any announcements regarding downtime or scheduled maintenance. By following these steps and best practices, you should be able to troubleshoot common issues with your Debank portfolio overview and ensure a smooth and accurate tracking of your cryptocurrency assets.